I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You're signed in and ready. Open Sheets. Google.com or Google Drive and click New, then Google Sheets to create a file. Name the spreadsheet immediately so autosave tags it correctly. Once done, set sharing permissions, viewer, commenter, or editor so collaborators can help. Make sure your locale and time zone are correct to avoid date and number mismatches. These first actions establish a clean working file and prevent version confusion later when you add data or formulas. Start by creating column headers and freezing the top row so headers stay visible as you scroll. Organize data consistently, use one type per column, and apply data validation to enforce options with dropdowns. Format numbers, dates, and currency to match your locale so calculations behave predictably. Once structured, add formulas like equals SUM, B2, B100, or equals if C20, yes, no, and create named ranges for clarity. These middle steps reduce mistakes. After data is in place, insert charts or pivot tables to summarize results, customize axes, labels, and update source ranges as you add rows. Share the sheet with precise permissions and use comment threads to assign tasks or request changes. Make a copy for experiments to avoid breaking the original. If something goes wrong, first check formula ranges and cell formatting, then verify access rights if collaborators report errors. That troubleshooting tip, confirm ranges and permissions, solves most common issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.